This Spaceship Adventure Planet playset has been such a hit in our house, especially because my son is completely obsessed with space. From the moment he started playing with it, he was excited to build his own little space world and jump right into pretend play. The set lets kids assemble different parts of a space station, which makes it feel like a real space mission instead of just a toy that you look at. One of the coolest features is the rocket shuttle, which has lights and sounds. My son loves pretending he's flying through outer space, landing on different planets, and starting new missions. It also includes a bunch of other pieces, such as astronauts, a robot dog, and a flag. It's just enough for kids to create their own little scene. The robot-shaped screwdriver is another fun detail. It's actually used to help assemble the pieces, so kids feel like they're really building something while working on fine motor skills and problem solving. What I really love about this playset is how it blends imaginative play with learning. My son spends so much time pretending he's driving on planets, exploring new worlds, and going on different missions, all while building creativity and curiosity about space and the solar system. If you're looking for a space-themed toy that keeps kids engaged, encourages hands-on building, and sparks imaginative storytelling, this playset is one that my son truly loves and keeps coming back to again and again.